So if you want to go ahead and use CJ Dropshipping with Shopify, what you're going to want to do is you have your Shopify over here. You're going to go to your apps. You're going to click on Add Apps. And here you can see CJ Dropshipping right at the top. So you're simply going to click on Install. And what that will do is it will authorize your CJ Dropshipping with your Shopify. It's going to bring the app into this section. And you're obviously going to go ahead and complete the installation file and gig between these. Now, after we have done that, what that will help us do is it will give us a good idea on how we're going to start our dropshipping. Obviously, you're going to want to create an account with CJ Dropshipping, connect your dropshipping account with your Shopify account. They're going to give you a connection widget. It's pretty simple. So it's going to take you to the authorization, just sign in with your account. And that is basically how you can use CJ Dropshipping with Shopify. Then obviously proceeding on, you can get into the main dashboards in MyCJ and start importing your accounts. But yeah, just go ahead. You can register as well with a new account, and it's going to connect that account to your Shopify. We'll log in over here, and that is how you can use CJ Dropshipping with Shopify.
In this video, guys, we're going to go and use Bart AI to help us start a brand new store on the Shopify platform, and we're going to ask what kind of products, how we're going to structure our business, and how we can outperform our competitors. Remember, all this information will be coming from Google, so information is very up to date and it's very, very interesting how other people share their information. Remember, this is summary of pictures, videos, blog posts, comments. We're gonna get access to all this just with a single prompt over here. So I want to start an e-commerce store on Shopify. Please advise a strategy, products, and marketing approach so I can be successful. Boom. Very easy, very simple, guys. All the other case studies on my channel over here, guys, you need to go through each one of it, okay? You're gonna learn so many things about how to use AI and make tons of money, okay? Let's see what they actually pump this time. Great choice, Shopify, fantastic platform, okay? Product selection, find a niche, don't try to compete with everything. Instead, find a niche market with underserved needs, okay, we know that. Passion matters, choose products you're genuinely excited about. That doesn't sound like a good idea. Consider profitability, analyze potential. Okay, strategy, brand identity, develop a street. This might not be what we're looking for, guys. Okay, my bad. I was looking to do drop shipping. I see the version of the business without branding and this and that. The changes things a bit general. Okay, niche selection. Okay, still look for products with high perceived value, low competition, and potential for recurring purchases. Consider unique items. Recurring purchases is something that I haven't heard recently. That's a good idea. For example, if you can sell something that people will be coming back and buying every week, every month, you know exactly how much. It's very predictable sources of revenue or potential margin. Sounds very, very good. So inventory management, supplier selection. I have a couple of videos here on CJ Dropshipping tutorial, guys, on my channel. You want to make sure you look at them. I also have a full tutorial on Shopify how to register, how to set up your store. So you want to make sure you check the selection over here. Let's see what they advise us on marketing strategy. Social media influencers, yeah, we know that. Pay advertising, we know that. Fresh sales and promotions, email marketing, additional tips, focus on product quality. That's nothing we can actually regulate. It's coming from China. Transparent communications, be upfront about your dropshipping model, communicate with potential shipping delays. Okay, that's correct. Focus on customer service. Okay, virtual assistant meaning. Remember, success in dropshipping requires dedication, hard working, continuous adaptation. Well, guys, I don't think this is perfect, but I truly believe if we spend another maybe half an hour, 45 minutes up to an hour asking the right, more niche down questions after we choose our product and niche, I believe Bart AI could help us and save us a lot of time. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video we are going to go through what is TikTok Shop, how you can make money with it, how much money you can make with it, what are the requirements, how you could apply, and essentially is it actually worth it? Let's dive in. First thing, we want to launch the TikTok app. When you're at your account, I want you to go ahead and click on the upper right corner where you see the 3 straight lines. When you have this pop-up menu, I want you to click on the first option, which is Creator Tools. This is where the magic happens. There is a special menu over here, it's called monetization, and I want you to scroll through the section that is called TikTok Shop. There is two different shops, one is for creator and the other one is for seller. Essentially, the first one over here is if you want to make money as an affiliate. In this particular example over here, you can earn a commission with TikTok Shop affiliate. You can simply link products from other people's stores. For example, you're making content about, let's say, running or gym, right? And there are people who are selling gym equipment or selling gym clothes or gym supplements, right? And you can essentially go and under your videos you can tag their products. You can put their products into your account, so when people shop from your account you can simply earn commission. In this particular example, the requirements and the eligibility stands that first of all, your account should not be posting anything that is against the TikTok community guidance. You should have over 5,000 followers, which is half of the requirements for creativity program beta, which I believe, guys, is very, very possible. And of course, you should be at least 18 years old, which again is very, very easy. I think this it's a good program. I have another TikTok account. I have over 70,000 followers on the other one. I've listed plenty of items. Honestly, guys, I haven't sold anything. So I don't know, maybe my items are too expensive or maybe the niche it's different. So you want to make sure you list items that very, very reliable to your audience, right? Don't list like musical instruments or something if your page is not for musicians. The second shop over here, guys, is for sellers. Essentially, this is, you're a creator, and instead of you selling other people's gym equipment or gym clothes, you're selling your own. So let's say you found someone in China or elsewhere who can manufacture a large amount of goods and can ship the goods and has a facility and can expedite and ship all the items. Essentially over here you create your own account, and this is for US only, simply because I am from the US, but you can essentially switch to other countries, and currently this is what is available. You have Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Philippines, Vietnam, Singapore, and United Kingdom. Probably it will be rolling over another countries as well. Very important over here is that you should have your TikTok business account to log in over here. So you need to have a separate login, simply because this is going to show you your analytics of your business, analytics of your own performance. You could essentially click sign up with your TikTok account, but you're still going to have a separate node. And again, as you can see the examples, people tend to make more money if they're selling something that they are very, very good at. So usually, as we see over here, they're selling cosmetics, they're selling makeups. I don't know why it's only women's on the example, but there's some success stories. Someone who got over 1.5 million views, and he had 15,000 orders, and he made live. We're talking about live sales, over $350,000. Again, this is sales, guys. This is not profit. Again, this is just the revenue. I think it's worth trying, especially if you're like one of these creators who are really making tutorials about how to do makeup, how to lose weight, something that is connected with activity that people can really see you trying it or see you using it, so you will be able to sell more. All you gotta do is to sign up over here, and this is how it works, guys. Essentially, it will take time for TikTok to to process your request, and essentially when you sign up, TikTok will generate your account and we'll be able to create a new spreadsheet where you should agree to the terms and conditions, and then you can proceed and start working towards the process of approval. They're gonna send you 2 to 6 days after they review your application. Also, then you have to link your original TikTok account. Like I mentioned, there is a split in between, so you will be able to get verified and start showing the content during your live streams. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.
So to start things off, we're going to come over to shopify.com. And once you're into shopify.com, we're going to create an account with it. So to create an account with it, what you're going to do is you're going to come down here and click on Start Free Trial, and it's going to take you into the store creation. Now, once you go into the store creation, it's going to tell you to get started, and it's going to ask you a few questions where it's going to say, which of these best describes you. You could go with I'm just starting, I'm already selling online or in person. I'm going to go with I'm just starting and click on next. Then it says, where would you like to sell? I'm going to click an online store and click on next. And it says, what do you plan to sell first? I'm going to go with dropshipping products and click on next. Once we do that, it says, where will your business be located? You're obviously going to add in your business location. So in my case, it's Pakistan, and you can go ahead and add, whatever location you have. And once you do that, it's going to bring you here where it's going to ask you to sign up with these different ways. So I'm going to go ahead and click on sign up with email. And I'm simply going to go ahead and add an email for myself and sign in with that. So I'm going to go ahead and be using a temp mail for now. You don't necessarily need to follow this step. You can simply go ahead and use any other email that you have. But I'm going to go with this, okay? And once we're over here, let me show you what to do from here. So what you're going to do is you're simply going to be adding your password in this section. And once you add your password, you're simply going to click on Create Shopify Account. Now, once you're creating your Shopify account, it's going to ask you for your password again. So you're going to make sure to reconfirm it and reassure it. And once you reassure your password, what's going to happen from there is it's going to directly log you in. So when it logs you in, let me show you what the interface looks like. So once you come over here, it starts loading and the screen starts loading. And what happens from there is it's going to bring you to building your store. So once it brings you to building your store, what's going to happen from there is you are going to be taken into this section, which is basically your basic dashboard. Okay. Now, once you're in your dashboard, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be downloading some application, which will basically allow you to, start your drop shipping. So in my opinion, I would always suggest users to go with some application like CJ Dropshipping or maybe Spocket or Deezers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding CJ Dropshipping for myself. So for that, we're going to click on Add Apps and we're going to click on Shopify App Store. Now, once you click on your Shopify App Store, it's going to basically load things in and it's going to bring you here. Now, once you are over here, what you're simply going to do is you're going to search up CJ. Just search up CJ. You can write dropshipping if you want to, but I'm just simply going to search up CJ. Once you search up CJ, it's going to bring you here where it says CJ Dropshipping much faster. Now, once you go here, you're going to click on Open App. And once you click on Open App, from there, it's going to start authorizing things where it's going to bring you here. It's going to ask you to agree the terms. We're going to click on login and authorize. If you have an account, you're going to do that. Or if you don't, you're simply going to go ahead and sign up. Sign up process is pretty simple. You're going to add an email. Then you are going to go ahead and add a password for yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly add a password. I'm going to confirm this password as well real quick. There we go. And once you do that, you're going to agree to their terms and click on next. Once you do that, it's going to ask you for a username. Just add anything random, to be honest. Then you're going to add your name. You're going to add your phone number. And once you do that, you're going to click on continue. Now, once you click on continue, it's going to start loading you in. And once it starts loading you in, it brings you here to a user questionnaire where it says, which platform are you running your store on now, which is obviously Shopify. I'm going to choose how many orders I process and what categories do I work in. And once we do that, we're going to submit things and it's going to load us here where it says authorization is now a success.
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you the best TikTok ad strategy that usually gives the best conversions, and essentially it costs you very little in comparison with the regular ads that you could run on TikTok. We all know ad campaigns could be very expensive, especially if you try to reach a high ticket item customers. Okay, so let's launch the TikTok app and let me show you how you can run your ads on a budget and make very good money if you really know exactly what you're doing and you have the right product in front of the right audience. So first thing what I want you to do is to create a small piece of content that will promote your product. Okay, so the creative that usually you're going to get from someone on Fiverr or you're going to create on yourself, okay, has to be published over here. So first you want to publish your video as usual, post on TikTok with all the hashtags and all the information. Then when the video is published, I want you to go ahead and click on the upper right corner, the three straight lines. Then I want you to click on creator tools. Now over here there is a section that is called promote. You want to click on the section promote with the small fire icon. Over here you can select the same video that you just posted with your product, okay, with the link, with everything included, so you will be able essentially to sell your product from a TikTok shop. A video that you published that is promoting the product or explaining the product, you can promote the video from here, and guess what, you can get over 1000 views for only $5.74. Just think about how actually cheap would that be for you to essentially garner these views. So the most popular over here is $11.48. That is over 2000 views. And if you really want to go big, for the first time, you can go for $138 and you can get over 24,000 views. So think about it, right? If you have like a product that is like around $100, drop shipping strategy or whatever, think about it, you're going to pay 137, 138, and then you're going to get over 24,000 views. Think about the potential conversion in this 24,000 plus views, right? So it's very interesting and it's relatively cheap. Or you can simply do the basic one, 1,000 views, and just to test and see how it goes. But this is how simple it is to have the best and, in my opinion, the highest possibility of having conversion with these prices. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.
Amazon dropshipping tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can do dropshipping on Amazon. Now if you want to do dropshipping on Amazon, you are going to need some type of provider, okay, to help you do proper dropshipping. So there's a lot of dropshipping providers, but the best one, in my opinion, that would work well, because normally dropshipping on your Amazon would get banned because dropshippers cannot do business on Amazon. Amazon does not approve of that type of business. So if you actually want to get sturdy and get a proper dropshipping business up and running on Amazon, what we're going to do is we're going to go here, and there's a platform called Deezers. So Deezers is where you can start dropshipping. Okay, it's normally connected with AliExpress as their provider, but what happens is the products that you get on Deezers are off of your Amazon products. Okay, you can actually add your Amazonian products into your Deezers. You're going to add their links and everything should work pretty easily. So what you're going to do is you're going to sign in with this. And once you sign in with this account, you're going to connect it to your actual Amazon account. Make sure you have an Amazon account. Without that, this will not work. But once you do that, it should pretty much be done for you. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.